Today we've got a very special bike in the shop to unbox. It's a FOGGY V4 replica. It's inspired by his 916 that he used to race in the 90s. Very limited bike. There's only 500 of these bikes made. So we haven't had a look yet, so we're very keen to pull it out of the box and see what we're dealing with. So here we go. We'll start to uncrate the bike and give you a look. Okay, here we go. What's she going to look like? It's pretty special already. Have a bit of a look in here. There's that big number one. There you go. What a beautiful looking bike. So we'll pull the outside of the crate off now and all the wrapping and get in a bit closer and check out some of those cool parts. But so far, that's a pretty special looking bike. We pulled all the cardboard and the plastic wrapping off, and here is what it looks like. They're pretty well supported in the crates these days, the way they anchor them down on the front and rear axles. We had a few bikes in the early days which would come loose in the crate, so they're very well secured now. Okay, we'll remove the crate and roll it out and put it in the workshop. We always cover up the bikes when we remove the crate, just in case, but yeah, nice thick towel seems to do the trick, and you're still very careful, but it just gives you that extra layer of protection. Like we said before, these are a limited run. This is number 127 500. The bike's in the workshop. We've laid out all the parts that come with the bike to install. Mirrors, dry clutch cover. They're your stock handlebar weights, but we're going to put the Rizoma front brake protection deal on it. Also the Rizoma fuel cap. Comes with the Ducati data analyzer, which we won't connect. That just goes under the seat there for data logging. These are mirror blank off plates, which we won't be fitting either. And yeah, also special 916 bike cover, all the bookwork, and yeah, a special charger for the lithium battery. So I'll fit all that stuff up. Here's what it looks like in stock trim. We'll put all the nice stuff on and give you another look, do the pre-delivery and fire it up. So here we go, let's fit the parts. Okay, so the mirrors have been fitted, also the bar ends and the front brake protection. I'll pull the battery out to show you what it weighs. So it's a lithium battery. Quite light, isn't it? Anyway, on to the next part. We're going to pull the clutch cover off and fit that open clutch cover, and also have a look at what's behind there. There's the slipper clutch that's tucked away behind the stock cover. So now I'm going to fit the carbon clutch cover, and that part will be done as well. And here's the Ducati Performance clutch cover fitted. We've PD'd the bike, done any updates that were needed. All the upgraded parts fitted. About to fit the last bit, the decals. So they're optional, they don't come on the bike, so I'm going to fit those and the shell decal, and then it's ready to start. Just about to start her up. A quick look over the bike and then we'll hit the button. So I've got the nice looking forged rims, magnesium. We've got the Acro titanium slip-on that comes with it. Rizoma rear sets. Ducati Performance clutch cover and the STM slipper clutch. Lots of other Rizoma parts like the front brake protection like I showed you, the Rizoma levers. What else we got? A lot of carbon fibre. The 916 inspired seat. Okay. Let's start her up. First time. Let's hit the button.